Early-stage precipitation in ALLI, ALCU, ALLICU and complex cell alloys using atom probe tomography. By Mun Khushem. Aluminum-based alloys play a key role in modern engineering and are widely used in construction components in aircraft, automobiles and other means of transportation due to their lightweight and superior mechanical properties. Additions of Li and or Cu2Al have been identified as an efficient strategy to improve the strength in age-hardenable or heat-treatable alloys via the precipitation hardening phenomenon. The introduction of different nanostructure features can improve the service and the physical properties of such alloys. An improvement of an AL-based alloy has been performed based on the understanding of the relationships among compositions, processing, microstructural characteristics and properties. Knowledge of the decomposition process of the microstructure during the precipitation reaction is particularly important for future technical developments. The first objective of this study is to investigate the nanoscale chemical composition in the ALCU, ALLI and ALLICU alloys during the early stage of the precipitation sequence and to describe whether this compositional difference correlates with variations in the observed precipitation kinetics. ALLICU alloys typically exhibit high strengths and good mechanical properties. Investigation of the fine-scale segregation effects of dilute solutes in aluminum alloys which experienced different heat treatments by using atom probe tomography has been achieved. The results show that an AL 1.7% Cu alloy requires a long aging time of approximately 8H at 160 C to allow the diffusion of Cu atoms into the AL matrix. For the AL 8.2% Li alloy, a combination of both the natural aging condition, 48H at room temperature, and a short artificial aging condition, 5 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius, induces increasing in the number density of the Li clusters and hence increases the number of precipitated particles. Applying this combination of natural aging and short artificial aging conditions onto the ternary AL4 at Li 1.7% Cu alloy induces the formation of a Cu-rich phase. Increasing the Li content in the ternary alloy up to 8% and increasing the aging time to 30 minutes resulted in the precipitation processes ending with delta particles. To achieve the second objective of this study, a complex and industrial alloy R2195 has been selected and characterized by atom probe tomography. Applying plastic deformation on such alloy has been highlighted as an important engineering tool for manipulation with second-phase precipitates in the microstructure. The findings of the characterization analysis were translated to construct a robust microstructure with an excellent hardness value of 209 HV by applying a low energy consumption, cost-effective method. The results obtained in this chapter prove the possibilities for the development of specially optimized alloys by obtaining a deep comprehension of the involved microstructural processes. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.